Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Medicos Guide. I'm Dr. Ida Khan. Today we are delving deep into abdominal anatomy. Have you ever wondered how clinicians pinpoint and diagnose abdominal issues? Well, wonder no more. We are breaking down the abdomen into quadrants and regions to unravel its secrets. So let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding the basics. The abdomen can be divided into two main ways, into 4 quadrants or 9 regions. But what's the difference? Why does it matter? Let's find out. First up, we have the 4 abdominal quadrants. Picture your belly button as a ground zero. Now imagine drawing a horizontal line through it and another vertical line right down the middle. Whoa, you have got 4 quadrants. Right upper, right lower, left upper and left lower. To understand the quadrants, we first need to know about the key anatomical lines and landmarks that shape them. Picture a median plane slicing through the abdomen like a surgical scalpel. This median plane, following the linea alba from the Ziegfeld process to the pubic symphysis, divides the abdomen vertically into 2 equal halves. Now imagine a horizontal line drawn at the level of umbilicus, known as the transumbilical plane. These two planes intersect at the umbilicus, forming a cross-like configuration that divides the abdomen into 4 distinct quadrants. It's like mapping out the coordinates on a treasure map. Only instead of X marks the spot, we have anatomical lines marking the quadrants of the abdomen. Let's explore what treasures lie within each quadrant. In the right upper quadrant, we find treasures like the liver, gallbladder, and the parts of the stomach and intestine. Meanwhile, the right lower quadrant houses the appendix, ileum, and cecum, like hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Over in the left upper quadrant, we uncover treasures such as the spleen, pancreas, and a portion of the stomach and colon. And descending into the left lower quadrant, we unearth the sigmoid colon and reproductive organs. Now, let's zoom in and explore the 9 abdominal regions. Think of it like a grid system for your guts. With 2 horizontal planes and 2 vertical planes, we get 9 distinct regions. Imagine drawing lines from the midpoint of your clavicle down to the midpoint of the inguinal ligament. These are the left and right mid-clavicular lines guiding us through the abdominal terrain. Now let's talk horizontal planes. Picture a line slicing through the lower border of your 10th rib on either side. That's the subcostal plane. And below, running through the tubercles of your iliac crest and the 5th lumbar vertebra, lies the transtubercular plane. Now let's take a closer look at what's hiding in each region. Imagine the right and left hypochondric regions as guardians at the top of the abdomen, standing tall like the watchful sentinels. Right in the middle, you will find the epigastric region bustling with activity. Moving outward, we come across the right and left lumbar regions, wrapping around the central umbilical region like trusted companions. And as we journey downward, we stumble upon the right and left inguinal regions, flanking the hypogastric region like hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Starting from the top, we have the epigastric region, home to stomach and pancreas. Moving left, we find the left hypochondriac region with spleen and part of colon. On the right hypochondriac region hosts the liver and gallbladder. Heading down, we've got the umbilical region housing the small intestine and kidneys. Then, to the left and right, the lumbar regions cozy up to the umbilical region, followed by the inguinal regions down below, where the intestines and the reproductive organs hang out. And there you have it, folks, the abdomen demystified. Quadrants and regions at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and let's spread the knowledge. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.